In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan QR code on Discord on mobile. If you want the fastest way to log into Discord on a computer or another device, scanning a QR code from your phone is the trick. It takes just a few taps and saves you from typing emails and passwords on a keyboard. The QR code is a one-time pattern that securely links your phone to the login session, so it's both fast and safe. Here's how to do it smoothly. With the Discord app open on your phone, look along the bottom bar and tap your profile picture. That opens your account area. At the top right of that screen, tap the small gear icon to enter settings. This is where Discord keeps tools specific to your account and device. Inside settings, find and tap Scan QR code. The moment you select it, Discord may ask for permission to use your camera. That's normal. This feature uses your camera to read the code. So allow access so the scanner can open. You'll see the camera view with an on-screen frame to guide you. Now point your phone at the QR code that's displayed on your other device or PC. Make sure the QR code you're scanning is the one shown by Discord on its login screen. Hold your phone steady, keep the code fully inside the frame, and use good lighting so the camera can focus quickly. You usually don't need to get very close. Try filling most of the frame without cutting off the corners of the code. If the camera struggles, step back slightly or tilt the phone to avoid glare. If needed, increase the brightness on the other screen so the black and white squares stand out. As soon as the code is recognized, Discord handles the login for you on the other device. It's quick, typically just a moment, and then you'll see that device signed in to your account. If a code has been on the screen for a while, it might expire. Just use a fresh one and scan again. That's all there is to it. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Only scan QR codes that come from Discord itself or devices you trust, since scanning logs you in. And if you ever decide not to proceed, just back out of the scanner on your phone. You now know the simplest way to sign into Discord using your phone. Tap your profile at the bottom, tap the gear at the top right, choose Scan QR code, and aim at the code on your other device. Easy, fast, and secure.